Director katana ka koi ka khia ka jalau Dr. Amanwar ha ka sib ar loong ba kinong tre ha ki hospital khamtam ha ka RP Chest Hospital ba ki dei banlong ki ba husiar ha ba ki Pdiang ki Nongpang ha ki jaka sumar ki chongki. Kumon chikudo hangni ki ladon bun ba kinong tre ha ki jaka sumar ki ba bet yau ti khnyang jipang. La ka long ha civil hospital negrem RP Chest bat ki hospital. Ha ka ni ka ju ka singi UDHS le thu ba tat hadu menta ka si omdon shu ki brio ki ba bet pateng yau ti khnyang jipang ba pur na ki ti kinong le yatho sha Greenwood Resort sha khana para. Kat kum ka jiong jong u kate ka jingbam don shu ka jinge bet kala bandai bau ti khunyang ubay bet na kate ka jaka ulay abdu ha ka wei pat kalyang UDHS ulay thuru ba menta katanat kadang abru sai ka report jong ka kurim jong u pharmacist ubami tu na ka jaka set slung banlet bu ya ka sha jaka tre jong ka rang thong PSC ka ba hamokruan utei rang ba ulatip u yo positive de tat on da lon phai na ka ba wan bu ka kurim ka jugu
every likelihood ngana mau ayu ba ki kontrak nang tu nama kita bilang under quarantine hang tu so kita kembali pasien tang balong nila ye le katu contact tracing nila kali ye ki kami kendo ino balong suspicious bakin degi high risk jong no most likely na ki patient number le nila adap ai yang nila ong yang bakin le yang ka reorientation program ban ai yang retrain lot ye bar khot kina ye ka refresher training nama teng apor ko file itu ka trying ki one patient na katu apor ko kita siwan receive patient that is the most crucial time him they will let you guard down at that point of time. You have broken quarantine intentionally, not that without any intention. You have done it intentionally because not only you went to Rangthong, you went all over the place also. So that action will be taken as per the rules, as per what is provided in the rules. Okay, disciplinary action will be taken and action will be taken also. I have not given from any wedding contact, so that chain has been cut off till now. More. So kita belum positif nak ketuka chain
from the change of these people.
Yes, ndan hadu mentah mo. Dari badan kamu ngila sutu ngila ayang ni begini kedeki wedding contact. Hadu mentah kamu dan. We are very hopeful that this chain is broken.